What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm very excited today. I've got a new project for you, but before I dive into it, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it so we can hang out, have fun, build a community, and hopefully make a little bit of money, right? So let's get straight in. So guys, here it is. It's lexmetacapital.com. Links will be down below as always. Overview of the website. We got home, ventures, and the roadmap. LEX Capital. It's a digital art to global ventures, okay? This NFT digital art investment ventures Metaverse to a unicorn. It is going to be insane. We want to be the next investment fund like SoftBank's vision. In return, holders get equities, portfolio, and dividends. Now we're going to go deep into this. Base of it, welcome LEX NFT. Look at these unicorns. They're insane. They're NFT unicorns. They venture capitalized, initial $1.5 million funding to be utilized. They're putting 10% into apps and games, 10% into blue chips, 15% into the metaverse, 30% into charity and NGOs. Commercial riots is 15%, dividend stocks 10%, and tech starts up another 10%. Now the designs, the utility collection NFT is out 08/08/2022. We have landed hello y'all to all keen investors. They're super cool unicorns. Simple as that. Okay, super cool. All different kinds of suits. Spaceman suit. You got one in this actual suit. really cool. Now going on to their roadmap. 2022 coming soon. Digital art. Okay, so the capital raised through NFT artwork sale will seed the future. The incorporation in Q3. Incorporation period of the organization will fund the tech. The meta investments in Q4 and Q1 in 2023 is the other investments. So going through the conventional ones. Public offerings in Q2 of 2023, the IPO and the ICO, and Q3 Plus is the $1 billion organization unicorn, right? Now, this NFT project is actually created by a team of bankers. Yes, you heard it, a team of bankers created for the investment purchase. That's why this is going to be incredible. Their purpose of this is for the investments. They know what they're doing, bankers. We all know that, right? So that's why this hype is getting real. They have a contact us page at the bottom with all their links. The links will be down below as well. I just want to quickly say that we've gone through the roadmap, but you can see the way they've built this roadmap, right? It's actually concentrated on incorporating the reinvesting structure into the metaverse and also traditional investments. So, for example, the rights, the electronic cars, medical courses, investing into all things like that, which is super unique. They're also going to provide an investment portfolio access for all holders to access online sharing the equities and dividends with holders over a monthly and a quarterly period. Okay, target is to be the first ever unicorn $1 billion investment vehicle through NFT seed funds. Now, guys, there is initially 10,000 NFTs to the series of this collection, right? 300 whitelist spots already for the participants of the whitelist games on the Twitter and Discord. This is why you have to get in their socials, okay? So you can get a chance on that. It's currently going on. The drops to be are, like I said, 08/08/2022, and it is linked on the main site where I showed you. 30% of the funds are to be for campaign charity and 70% reinvested for all of the holders. Incredible. The NFT artwork with good future resale, value at equities, and provided for the holders too. I love this one in the yellow, the acid unicorn. It is just the coolest thing I've ever seen. Now, these could be worth up to 10 times what they go for, right? Not financial advice, I'm just telling you, these could be valued up to 10 times, so please get involved early. Now, let's jump over to their Twitter. It is at LEX Metacapital, okay? That's the official link, 4,540 followers. Only use the links down below or trusted links. Give them a follow, let them know you're from this channel. They put some really cool tweets on here, right? Some really cool tweets on, so you can see some sneak previews of the actual unicorns themselves. Please get in there, let them know you're from this channel, give them a follow. Say, George sent me over here to support this project. They do giveaways and things like that, so please, it'll be a really cool project to get in this early. Let me know what you think of that, guys. I'm so blessed that I get to bring you these videos. Please keep showing support. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell if you want to be notified when I've got a new project for you. I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.